out, cause I don't see shit slide. Nigga clicked up, it's a whole lot of dick ride. Tell me get back, but I don't see shit down. That nigga move quick when he heard that shit fly. I'm smoking on his guy. Nigga see me in his car drop, he had big ass.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy MS, and today's video we're about to react to Lil Zay WDG. Yeah, WDG. It's called Slimy Dude official music video. This video just came out 1 month ago, so we're about to react to this video anyway. Here it is, Slimy Dude by Lil Zay WDG or MS. WDG. I got it right. MS, talk your shit.
I'm a slimy dude and I'm on my dick. I say that was talk. He think he a threat, so I get to stalk. Late night shit, I'm gonna sit on your couch. I come with the peep, I shit with Drake. Boss out the coat, shit on the skates. I'm thugging for real. I'm ditching the fake. He got hit with that shit. The arm shake. Break my arm. I'm feeling like Blake hit up in the hole.
They break his arm, like, ow, that's hurt.
I got the pains, I'm thugging on shit. Remember the days on Mac, yeah, Eric and the pump in the dick. They feeling like a bitch. Only difference, nigga, I ain't never ever run. I know a nigga that won like Jeff. Thought he was spinning, got put on the shelf. Nigga a rookie, ain't got no rank. Come to the hood, yo, elegant spank. Get out this dirty, you know I'm a blank. G21, just give me some space. Got hit with that shit till I'm pick for the spade. Blowing that shit, better pick up your pay. Car chasing a nigga, he thinks it's a race. Fuck that nigga, you can get in the bait. Put a bitch on the team, just fall the bait. Nigga, you a dumb, I think was stick. I'm Lil Zay, no nigga for lit. Got 100 of page, just know you top pick. Sliming for money, but I take a blick. What the fuck if I buy them little niggas sweet? Drake start bang, but I can repeat. Couple niggas died, they stuck 6 feet. I'm small as a bitch, but I think I'm elite. Call me about like Dwayne 3 heat. People pick me up, I say, nah, I ain't see nigga long live pizza. I wish you was here. I did 3 months, niggas say, nah, I ain't here. To my mama, they knocking the door in here. Get it feeling like a Tony LeBron, get it talking my shit. I'm tired, these bitches keep thinking they pussy this shit, but whole time shit ain't it. A nigga is still for the rock. I remember he traded the beat for the big 4 nigga. Then I put the mind and traded the beat for the switch.
Look at all they guns. Wow, with all these guns, they always put up guns. That is Lil Zay WDG MS with Slimy Dude. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell button for more reaction videos and other videos too at MS Official 91. Thank you for watching this presentation of reaction videos. It's your boy MS. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. Peace.
Hop on the feet and I'm banging my ass. These niggas be faking, I'm saying the same. These niggas be tipping, I know that they lying. How you work from the hip and your ass?